Our final mode is pointing mode. Pointing mode is fantastic for challenging situations like restaurants when you need to hear the waiter when they come to the table. So for this particular demo, I'm gonna activate my background noise, and then I'm gonna talk for a bit so the client can hear what it sounds like, and then I'm gonna pass them Roger on. And by pointing Roger on at me, it's gonna form a beam that really focuses in on my voice above the noise. Now, how do I sound to you now?
When I'm pointing at you, I hear you perfectly well.
Excellent. So I'm gonna turn my noise off here. As you can see, Roger on is a fantastic solution for your clients in noise, like in cars, in restaurants, or wherever else they might have a challenge. Now, after the demo is complete, it's a great idea to give your clients 1 or 2 weeks of an in-home demo with Roger so that they can see the difference it makes in their everyday life. Because with Roger, hearing is believing.